Hey guys, in this video we'll be finding the prime factors of 4,891. So how else can we write 4,891? Well, this equals 4,900 minus 9. And these are both square numbers. So this equals 70 squared minus 3 squared. And now we've got the difference of two squares. So by this we mean that when we've got a squared minus b squared, we can factor this as a minus b times a plus b. So let's do that. So this equals, if a is 70 and b is 3, a minus b will be 70 minus 3, and a plus b will be 70 plus 3. And this equals 67 times 73. And these are both prime numbers. So there you go, the prime factorization of 4,891.